So one last thing before we leave the module. At the moment, our onMessage handler returns void, but we can change this to return some other data. So for example, here, we could change this to say return string. I'll take out the broadcast call here so we can see what's happening slightly more clearly. And then from here, have it return some JSON object to the caller. The JSON object will look something like this. So we're just going to return a JSON object which just says message OK. If I redeploy this, what will now happen is that when the message is received, the string message is received, the value we return from this, the string return, will be treated as an outgoing socket message, which means that in the browser, the message handler should fire. So if I go to the browser and browse to the site, bring up the developer console, we have a breakpoint inside onMessage, type in the user's name, so Alice, and click on join, and sure enough, the onMessage is fired. And if I look at the message here, that is sent to message OK, which was the JSON we returned back from the caller. Just to emphasize, this is still happening in the browser asynchronously. So the browser sends out a request, that request is sent to the server does some processing, and eventually this response comes back into the client, into the browser. So there's no synchronous call here. We still need to handle messages on the browser side.